Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Let's learn with Marilyn Monroe. Let's start. Marilyn Monroe was a famous actress.
Marilyn Monroe was a famous actress.
She was born on June 1st, 1926.
She was born on June 1st, 1926.
Her real name was Norma Jean Mortensen.
Her real name was Norma Jean Mortensen.
Marilyn starred in many classic films.
Marilyn starred in many classic films.
She was known for her beauty.
She was known for her beauty.
Monroe had a captivating smile.
Monroe had a captivating smile.
She was a symbol of femininity.
She was a symbol of femininity.
Marilyn struggled with personal issues.
Marilyn struggled with personal issues.
She was a talented singer.
She was a talented singer.
Monroe's style influenced fashion.
Monroe's style influenced fashion.
She starred in Some Like It Hot.
She starred in Some Like It Hot.
Marilyn was a cultural icon.
Marilyn was a cultural icon.
She had a troubled childhood.
She had a troubled childhood.
Marilyn was married 3 times.
Marilyn was married 3 times.
She faced many challenges in Hollywood.
She faced many challenges in Hollywood.
Monroe's hair was famously blonde.
Monroe's hair was famously blonde.
She had a distinct voice.
She had a distinct voice.
Marilyn was often typecast in roles.
Marilyn was often typecast in roles.
She loved to read books.
She loved to read books.
Marilyn was known for her iconic poses.
Marilyn was known for her iconic poses.
She had a pet dog named Math.
She had a pet dog named Math.
Monroe's life was filled with drama.
Monroe's life was filled with drama.
She was a humanitarian.
She was a humanitarian.
Marilyn often struggled with depression.
Marilyn often struggled with depression.
She was a friend of many celebrities.
She was a friend of many celebrities.
Monroe starred in The 7-Year Itch.
Monroe starred in The 7-Year Itch.
She was a pioneer for women in film.
She was a pioneer for women in film.
Marilyn's legacy continues today.
Marilyn's legacy continues today.
She was often photographed.
She was often photographed.
Monroe had a playful personality.
Monroe had a playful personality.
She was a talented dancer.
She was a talented dancer.
Marilyn loved to perform.
Marilyn loved to perform.
She had a unique sense of humor.
She had a unique sense of humor.
Monroe's films are still popular.
Monroe's films are still popular.
She was a fashion trendsetter.
She was a fashion trendsetter.
Marilyn had a mysterious aura.
Marilyn had a mysterious aura.
She was often misunderstood.
She was often misunderstood.
Monroe's quotes are famous.
Monroe's quotes are famous.
She struggled with her image.
She struggled with her image.
Marilyn was a talented actress.
Marilyn was a talented actress.
She had a remarkable career.
She had a remarkable career.
Monroe's beauty was timeless.
Monroe's beauty was timeless.
She was a muse for many artists.
She was a muse for many artists.
Marilyn was known for her charm.
Marilyn was known for her charm.
She loved the spotlight.
She loved the spotlight.
Monroe's life was tragic.
Monroe's life was tragic.
She died at a young age.
She died at a young age.
Marilyn was a complex individual.
Marilyn was a complex individual.
She struggled with addiction.
She struggled with addiction.
Monroe was an advocate for mental health.
Monroe was an advocate for mental health.
She had a strong desire for love.
She had a strong desire for love.
Marilyn's performances were memorable.
Marilyn's performances were memorable.
She was often in the tabloids.
She was often in the tabloids.
Monroe's life inspired many films.
Monroe's life inspired many films.
She had a magnetic presence.
She had a magnetic presence.
Marilyn was a natural talent.
Marilyn was a natural talent.
She loved to travel.
She loved to travel.
Monroe had a difficult relationship with her mother.
Monroe had a difficult relationship with her mother.
She was often seen as a sex symbol.
She was often seen as a sex symbol.
Marilyn had a warm heart.
Marilyn had a warm heart.
She was a beloved figure.
She was a beloved figure.
Monroe had a passion for acting.
Monroe had a passion for acting.
She was an inspiration to many.
She was an inspiration to many.
Marilyn's smile could light up a room.
Marilyn's smile could light up a room.
She faced criticism throughout her career.
She faced criticism throughout her career.
Monroe was a trailblazer in her field.
Monroe was a trailblazer in her field.
She had a flair for drama.
She had a flair for drama.
Marilyn was known for her glamorous looks.
Marilyn was known for her glamorous looks.
She had a love for classic movies.
She had a love for classic movies.
Monroe's laughter was infectious.
Monroe's laughter was infectious.
She was a devoted friend.
She was a devoted friend.
Marilyn's style was iconic.
Marilyn's style was iconic.
She had a strong work ethic.
She had a strong work ethic.
Monroe was a romantic at heart.
Monroe was a romantic at heart.
She had a gift for comedy.
She had a gift for comedy.
Marilyn loved to entertain.
Marilyn loved to entertain.
She was a pioneer for women in business.
She was a pioneer for women in business.
Monroe's influence can be seen everywhere.
Monroe's influence can be seen everywhere.
She was a passionate advocate for civil rights.
She was a passionate advocate for civil rights.
Marilyn was known for her seductive voice.
Marilyn was known for her seductive voice.
She had a flair for fashion.
She had a flair for fashion.
Monroe's life was a roller coaster.
Monroe's life was a roller coaster.
She loved to inspire others.
She loved to inspire others.
Marilyn was a strong individual.
Marilyn was a strong individual.
She faced many obstacles in her life.
She faced many obstacles in her life.
Monroe's legacy lives on.
Monroe's legacy lives on.
She was a captivating storyteller.
She was a captivating storyteller.
Marilyn had a love for poetry.
Marilyn had a love for poetry.
She was a free spirit.
She was a free spirit.
Monroe often sought approval.
Monroe often sought approval.
She valued her friendships deeply.
She valued her friendships deeply.
Marilyn's impact on cinema is undeniable.
Marilyn's impact on cinema is undeniable.
She was an advocate for women's rights.
She was an advocate for women's rights.
Monroe was a complex character.
Monroe was a complex character.
She loved to express herself through art.
She loved to express herself through art.
Marilyn was a true original.
Marilyn was a true original.
She found solace in acting.
She found solace in acting.
Monroe's spirit remains alive.
Monroe's spirit remains alive.
She was a beloved cultural figure.
She was a beloved cultural figure.
Marilyn Monroe will never be forgotten.
Marilyn Monroe will never be forgotten. Thanks for watching.